In this video, I will show how to use the new version of the mod DDT. The old method of launching, from the pyren menu, remained unchanged, and still works. Just as before, the program should work under Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Let's start by checking the directory hierarchy. The structure should look like the one shown in the picture. Now the DDT database is in a separate directory. After the first launch of the program, it should look like this. The top left should display a list of car models. This means that the database is found. For convenience, in the filter field, you can enter, in whole or in part, the name of the car model, or the project. For example, Logan. Or, for example, X95. I have Coleos and I type here XZG. After the correct project is selected, a list of all possible units in the vehicle and their protocols will be displayed at the bottom of the window. In the upper part of the window, the adapter parameters, the mode of recording logs and dumps. In the field of the car name, you can enter an arbitrary name. If you leave this field blank, then after scanning, the vehicle's VIN will be inserted here. This name is used to save the parameters of the units of a particular vehicle. Below are the buttons to connect to the units. Now the XML column, of the list of units, is empty. Units must be scanned to determine their type and parameters. Or you may set them manually. By double-click, you can open the parameters of each unit. Here you can manually select XML and dump. This can be useful for working offline. To work with a real car, it is recommended to scan units. You can scan both main and multimedia buses. Units will be added to the general list. Now run the scan. First I scan the multimedia bus. Now, I switch my adapter for working with the main bus. In the dumps folder, I had files from previous versions. During scanning, they are automatically connected if their name matches the recognized XML. The dump file contains the complete configuration of a specific unit. It can be used to store the change history and to work with the unit offline. When XML for a particular unit is defined, you can connect to it. Remember, all that you do with your car, you do at your own peril and risk.